Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Financial Domination, where we simplify the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain for you. Today we're diving into an exciting and rapidly growing area of crypto decentralized finance, or DeFi. If you've ever wondered how to use DeFi platforms but didn't know where to start, this video is for you. We'll cover the basics, show you how to get started, and guide you through some popular DeFi applications. Let's get started. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is a financial ecology developed on blockchain technology that lacks conventional financial intermediaries such as brokers, banks, and insurance companies. It relies on smart contracts and blockchains, especially Ethereum, to perform monetary operations and services. This is an innovation that has brought about a lot of transparency, security, and accessibility compared to the mainstream finance. Contrary to being just transactional, DeFi aims at establishing a global financial system for all connected people by making it possible for people to lend, borrow, and trade, earn interest, and access to several other different kinds of money products, independent from the central authority. It democratizes finance. This inclusiveness enhances financial inclusion globally, targeting particularly unbanked populations across the world, as well as giving users more control over their own funds. I'll also mention that DEXs, decentralized exchanges, lending platforms, and prediction markets are among some applications supported by the DeFi ecosystem, but not limited to stablecoins only. Each of these applications serves to enhance the functionality and efficiency of financial services, providing users with opportunities to engage in activities such as yield farming and staking, which can offer higher returns compared to traditional banking products. In summary, the potential of DeFi lies in its ability to offer a secure, transparent, and inclusive alternative to traditional finance, empowering users with unprecedented control over their financial dealings. To begin your DeFi journey, you must first create a digital wallet. In this wallet, you'll store all your cryptocurrencies and interact with various DeFi platforms. Choose a reliable wallet that supports DeFi protocols, such as MetaMask Trust Wallet or Coinbase wallets. Finally, move cryptocurrency into your new wallet, usually Ethereum ETH, since it's widely used on most DeFi platforms. You can now safely say that your wallet has been set up, and it's time to make use of the infinite opportunities in the DeFi space. Exploring the vast landscape of decentralized exchange DeFi platforms feels like discovering a new frontier in finance. The decentralized exchange Uniswap is one of these popular networks where users can trade without intermediaries and Compound, which offers lending and borrowing functionality for earning interest on tokens. Also worth mentioning is Aave lending platform, which has unique services such as flash loans. Each platform has its unique offerings, incentives, and interfaces. Familiarizing yourself with their functionalities and user communities can provide insights into where you might want to start your DeFi activities. Remember, exploring these platforms requires due diligence to understand the opportunities and risks involved. Like in a traditional savings account, staking in DeFi platforms offers you an opportunity of earning interest, but usually with higher yields. In its simplest form, staking entails the locking up of some of your cryptocurrency assets within a DeFi platform for purposes of supporting and securing the blockchain network. This often results in additional tokens being given to the native token holders by the platform itself. The good thing about staking is that it's not just about attractive returns alone, as compared to trading or engaging in high-risk yield farming strategies. This is a relatively safe method of generating passive income on your crypto assets. Moreover, staking enhances security and efficiency in the blockchain network, thus ensuring its sustainability and durability over time. Also, many times it allows these stakers to have governance rights, such as voting on important decisions related to the platform's future. Nevertheless, one must remember that different DeFi platforms can have diverse forms of rewards and conditions for their stakeholders. Hence, some may require lengthier lockup phases, even with increased lease payout amounts, thereby impacting your asset liquidity levels. Do exhaustive research before agreeing to pool your tokens for staking and understand how it works and what you can expect from it. It's an advanced strategy in decentralized finance, which involves lending or staking your crypto assets in a liquidity pool to earn rewards, usually in the form of additional tokens. This can be likened to earning interest, but with the chances for even higher returns. Yield farmers move their funds between various liquidity providers across different platforms, aiming to maximize their ROI. To start yield farming, you should identify liquidation shares that give better payment terms for selected cryptocurrencies. Tools like Zapper.fi and DeFi Pulse make it easier to track the performance of pools and potential yields from them. Having chosen a pool, one needs to deposit their assets into it, typically by connecting the wallet with the platform. These trade or loan facilitators use your money, thereby allowing your earnings to progressively accumulate on the system. The concept of impermanent loss is crucial because it deals with unique risks associated with yield farming when values of deposited items change compared to when they were deposited. Despite the potential for high returns, yield farming requires a good understanding of the market and smart contract risks. Active management and continuous research are key to navigating the yield farming landscape successfully. Dealing with DeFi platforms demands a unique blend of risks and rewards that must be taken into account by the participants. On the other hand, DeFi has the potential to offer higher investment returns than conventional financial products, access to wide-ranging financial services without any territorial restrictions, and enabling users financial freedom as well as privacy. Blockchain technology is also transparent and secure enough for those who are afraid of traditional banking systems. However, within DeFi, there exists risks beyond measure. The prices of digital assets can change significantly, leading to massive losses because cryptocurrencies tend to have high volatility levels. There's a significant risk of smart contract vulnerabilities being exploited, thereby causing the loss of funds held in DeFi protocols. In addition, the lack of regulation, coupled with anonymous blockchain transactions, makes asset recovery difficult in cases involving theft or fraud in relation to it. Along these lines, some complex DeFi strategies yield farming necessitate extensive knowledge on the market itself, as well as underlying technology, which means they can be dangerous for beginners. Therefore, continuous education and vigilance are important in navigating the DeFi space safely. Before investing, always verify the legitimacy of DeFi platforms and smart contracts. In order to stay updated on the latest security practices and potential vulnerabilities, use resources like DeFi Pulse and Forms. Enable two-factor authentication or other available security measures for your digital wallets and transactions. It's your responsibility to secure your investments. You can minimize the risks while reaping the benefits of DeFi by being informed and cautious. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to using DeFi platforms. We've covered setting up your wallet, swapping tokens on DEX, yield farming, and managing your DeFi portfolio. The world of DeFi can seem complicated, but with the right tools and a little practice, soon enough you'll be maneuvering through it like an expert user. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more crypto content from our channel. Also, let me know which DeFi platform you'd like to try out in the comments below.